Hey friends, if you wish to fix the situation where the printer is offline on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, I'll give you one solution only. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Bluetooth and devices tab, select printers and scanners, click on add a device if you don't find it here, and add the printer device. Okay, it will need a while to connect, and this is the main solution. And if by chance, let us say this was the original printer, let us say that it wasn't working, then remove it and then re-add it. Okay, re-add it. Okay, that's how we will fix it. It will need a while to connect, by the way. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.